Hi, everyone, welcome back to AppGeeker channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to transfer your contacts info from Android to iPhone. If you got a new iPhone and you want to move every contact from your old Android phone to new iPhone 13, then in this video, I'm going to share 3 different methods to do that. Each method has its offerings, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. I'm pretty sure that you'll know how to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. And now, let's get started. Our first method is using this Move to iOS app to move contacts from Android to Apple device. So first of all, on your old Android phone, go ahead to App Store or Google Play and install Move to iOS on your phone. This Move to iOS app actually moves your data from Android to iPhone in the middle of the setup on your new iOS device, so you don't need to install it on your iPhone. I'm using my Samsung phone right now. It works for all Android devices, the transferring process is all the same, so don't worry, go ahead and follow the steps. Once the app is installed on your Android phone, just open it up and tap Continue to start. We simply read the terms here and tap Agree here. And if asked, we allow it to send the files automatically. Go ahead, tap Continue. Then, what you're seeing now is a code screen. Here, it's asking you to enter the one-time code from your iOS device to continue the setup. So, here, we need to get the one-time code from the iPhone in the next step. Like I said, Move to iOS moves your data from Android only during the setup process on your iPhone. So now, time to set up your new iPhone. If you've gone through the setup already, then you'll have to erase it to get it back to Hello screen. I'm going to tell you how. If your iPhone is on the Hello screen already, you can skip this step. Okay, on your iPhone, open Settings, then select General. Then scroll down a little bit, at the bottom, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. You'll see a Prepare for New iPhone screen. To transfer contacts from Android to iPhone, here you'll erase the iPhone first. So select Erase All Content and Settings, and tap Continue. Here, follow the on-screen steps to erase your iPhone. You may need to enter your screen passcode or the password of your Apple account. And if asked, you also have the option to upload your data to your iCloud account or just skip it. The upload may take several minutes, so I just skip it here. Okay, then follow the instructions and let your iPhone wiping out all the data itself. Wait a little bit, and then the Hello flashes out on the screen. Here, you just need to follow the steps to get started. Set up the language, the country, or region. And here, make sure to connect your iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network with your Android. And keep going, you'll soon see the Apps and Data screen. Under it, you can see this Move Data from Android option. Select it so that we can impotence the contacts from your old Android phone to this new iPhone 13. And tap Continue. Finally, you'll get this one-time code. Now, the last step is to enter this one-time code on your Android phone. Enter the code, this will create a temporary connection between the Android and iOS devices. So here tap Connect when asked. Wait a second, you can see the transfer data screen appear on this Android phone. And now, you can take your time to choose what data files you'd like to move to your new iPhone 13, 13 Pro or any other iOS device. You can choose photos, videos, text messages, contacts, or add the files you want. Here, to move the contacts from Android to iOS, I just tap on the contacts then tap Continue. This will start the transferring process. As you can see, the progress bar is running on both my Samsung phone and this iPhone 13. It may take much time here, depending how much contacts info you're moving. To avoid interruption, you can plug both your Samsung and iPhone into power. Once the transferring process is completed, this is what you will see. So now, tap Done on your Android, and continue to finish the setup for your iPhone. Make sure that all your selected files are transferred successfully. You see, the contacts on my Android are the same as the contacts on my iPhone now. And this is what Move to iOS can do: move your contacts and also other data files from any Android phone to a new iPhone during the setup process. And our second method is using a third-party tool to transfer contacts from Android to Apple phone. For this method to work, you'll need a Windows PC or a Mac computer. After that, you need a software called Phone Transfer. You can get it from the link given in the video description below. It's available for both Windows and Mac users, so go ahead, click the link below and get it on your computer. And after installing it, open it up now. This is actually the most convenient tool to move all your Android contacts to an iPhone, especially when you don't want to delete any useful data on either of your phones. As you can see from the interface, you can do a lot of things with it, like transfer your WhatsApp data from one phone to another, and can back up and restore your phone with your computer. Another great and most excellent feature of this software is the phone transfer option. With this option, you can transfer everything you want from one device to another. Alright, in order to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone, click on Phone Transfer option at the top bar. Next, we go to the phone-to-phone mode. Then connect your Android and iPhone to your computer using USB cable. Make sure to connect your Android device first, so that it will display on the left the position of the source phone. And here for Android devices, like this Samsung phone, once connected, there will be a pop-up on the phone screen, requiring the USB debugging process. Here just follow the on-screen steps to enable the USB debugging on your Android. And give it a minute to load all data files from your Android device. And then connect the target iPhone. If asked, make sure to allow your iPhone trust this computer. You may need to enter your screen passcode here. And then, as you can see, the left side is my source Samsung device. It is going to send the data files. And the target iPhone on the right is going to receive all the files. And look at the center box, here's the content from your Android phone, it's everything you can copy to your iPhone. With it, you can select your photos, videos, text messages, contacts, and basically everything from your source Android. So in our case, I'm going to select the contacts from here. I just check the contacts box. You're able to pick other files if you want. Alright, then all you need to do is to click the Start button below. As you hit it, the transferring process will begin immediately. This usually takes a few seconds. Contacts won't take much time here. Alright, you see, the transfer is completed now. Pretty quick. And all items transferred. I just opened the contacts on both this Samsung phone and iPhone, and this is what you see. You can see now, the contact list on these two phones, they are all identical. The contacts on my old Android phone are all moved to this iPhone 13 now. So this is the quick and easy way that phone transfer offers. With it, everyone can transfer contacts and also other files from an Android device to an iPhone without reset. It's quick, very quick actually. And the best thing is that you will never have to erase anything on your iPhone or Android. Never. So it's really worth a try. Okay, the last method I'm going to show you is to use the Google account. Yeah, Google really makes our life more convenient, doesn't it? Alright, now, here's how you can import the contacts from your Android to iPhone without computer. Firstly, on your Android phone, we access Settings. Here I'm taking this Samsung phone as an example. If you're using other Android devices, it might be a little bit different. But basically, they are almost the same. Here, I tap the Accounts and Backup. And then, under it, I go with the Manage Accounts option. Here, you can see I already added my Google account here. So I just tap it. And now, over here is a Sync Account option. Tap it. And finally, in this Sync Account screen, we can see the Contacts option from here. So to get contacts from Android to iPhone, we tap on the Contacts. And that's it. It's transferring your contacts from Android to your Gmail account. And next, we're going to get the contacts info from your Gmail account to your iPhone. Now, get your iPhone. And do as the same, open the settings first, scroll down, and here, find Contacts, then go to Accounts. Here add account, then choose Google and sign in with your Google account. Make sure it's the same Google account you used on your Android phone. Alright, when you get in, if asked, allow it to turn on the backup. And also, should allow it to trust this iOS device, of course. When it's all set up, right here, you'll see a Gmail page. Now, we need to enable the Contacts option so that we can get the Android contacts from Google account to this iPhone. And then we back to the Accounts screen, you see, under the Gmail, the Contacts option also shows up here. This means your Google Contacts has been enabled successfully. So now, I'm going back to the home screen. And open the contacts on both Android and iPhone. See this, all contacts are synced now. But, sometimes it may not work as expected due to the network or it cannot recognize your contact info well. In that case, you may like to try the first and second method we've talked about just now. Okay, so that is how you can transfer your contacts from Android to iPhone using these 3 quick methods. Please let me know which one you are going to try. And also if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share the video with your friends who may need this. And if you want to know more tips like this, simply subscribe the AppGeeker channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.